At the last session of the Commission's first term in December last year, I received a report outlining what the Commission had done in its first 5 years. I'm glad that there are returning commissioners who will carry on the knowledge and the experience of the last Commission. And I'm glad that those past commissioners who are continuing have agreed to serve again. That report lays a basis for a broad scope of what our priorities should be for the next 5 years until 2030. Now, since its inception, the PCC, as we call it, has played a central role in South Africa's climate policy landscape. Most importantly, the PCC has really emerged as an important platform for consensus building in our country's just transition journey. It is regarded as a credible body that comes up with credible decisions on policy matters. By bringing together government, business, labor, civil society, youth, and academia, the PCC has fostered inclusive dialogue and solutions to some of the country's most complex and contested climate and developmental challenges.